Ụmụnne m ndị Anambra, kedunu? I came to share something with you guys, and I want you to be part of that thing because this post is a review, not a promotion, not an influencing, but a review. And that thing I came to share is an event happening in Oka this weekend in Anambra State. And that event is B Cube Summit, which is Business, Balance, and Beyond. That's the meaning of that B Cube. Business, Balance, and Beyond, being hosted by Veronica's daughter, Dr. Ella Shioma Ezadileje. That's the woman, the awesome woman hosting it. This event has been happening in our city, Port Harcourt, over many years. And I personally have been part of that event. I have been to that event for the last 3 years consecutively. So when I saw her make promotions or make a post that she's taking that event to Anambra State, I was so happy to see that post, and I'm here to encourage you guys. If you have the time, or if you can make out the time to go for that event, it will be very impactful to you and your life, your business, your work, whatever it is that your life is all about. It will be very impactful because it touches all aspects of life. As I'm someone that has been to it and benefited from it, benefited from the knowledge I got from it, the information being passed down, and maybe also the contacts that I got from it, because it's not just about receiving information, you can also go there and get connected with people. So you need to be part of this. And whoever you are, being a nursing mother, a lady, a man, a child, everybody is being put into consideration. So please, make out time to go for this event, because trust me, you will really be happy that you did. So I'm just sharing this post to encourage anybody that knows me or seeing this post and you are residents in Anambra State or wherever you are. It's not a long drive to Oka. Please be part of it. Ndi Nnewi, my village people, please go for that event. My people living in Onisha, Hanlele, to Oka, to everybody that knows me, people that are already residents in Oka, please make sure to attend. It's also available to students. Unizik students, please, Hanlele to the venue in Oka. Please make sure to key into this event, because truly you are going to see the impact in your life as time goes on. So this is me just saying, don't miss out on B Cube Summit happening in Oka on the 15th of August 2026. That is this weekend. It's this weekend that is happening. Please don't miss out. See this flyer? You see this other post that I munched over here? Please go to Veronica.